Hi everyone, this is again your most welcome. Today I wanted to show the pattern of this beautiful bag strap or curtain strap or belt or headband. This video is dedicated to you flash. So let's say start the slip knot and chain 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 chains. Insert your hook in second chain and pull up loop. Please crochet back loop. Insert your hook in third chain and pull up loop. Fourth, fifth, sixth, and insert your hook in seventh chain and pull up loop. Yarn over, pull through first loops, chain 2, and pull through next 3 loops, chain 2, pull through next loop, yarn over, pull through last loops. Insert your hook in second loop and pull up loop. Insert your hook in first space and pull up loop. Insert your hook in next 3 loops and pull up loop. Yarn over, insert your hook in second space and pull up loop. Insert your hook in next loop and pull up loop. Insert your hook in this stitch on the side and pull up loop. Yarn over, pull through first loops, chain 2, and pull through next 4 loops, chain 2, and pull through 1 loop, yarn over, pull through last loops, and repeat. Insert your hook in second loop and pull up loop. Insert your hook in first space and pull up loop. Insert your hook in next 4 loops and pull up loop, yarn over, insert your hook in second space and pull up loop. Insert your hook in next loop and pull up loop. Insert your hook in this stitch on the side and pull up loop, yarn over, pull through first loops, chain 2, then pull through next 4 loops, chain 2, and pull through 1 loop, yarn over, pull through last 2 loops, and repeat. Insert your hook in second loop and pull up loop. Insert your hook in first space and pull up loop. Insert your hook in next 4 loops and pull up loop, yarn over. Insert your hook in second space and pull up loop. Insert your hook in next loop and pull up loop. Insert your hook in last stitch on the side and pull up loop. Yarn over, pull through first loops, chain 2, then pull through next 4 loops, chain 2, and pull through next loop, yarn over, pull through last 2 loops, and keep going. Now I reach my desired length. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, leave a comment, and subscribe to the channel for more amazing content. We truly appreciate you. Talk to you later. I'll be in touch. Bye.